Howdy and hola. I'm Chad Wootton, Associate Vice President for External Affairs at Texas A&M University. This is Texas A&M Higher Education Center at McAllen. In my capacity, what I do is connect the university with communities around Texas. My group oversees some of our continuing education, some of our K-12 educational outreach, and then I serve on chambers of commerce and economic development boards around the state representing university partnership with Texas A&M. Texas A&M sort of holds dear our responsibility to provide accessible education to the people of the state, but also to conduct research that will change not only the industries and the communities of the state, but people's lives. So in 2015, Chancellor John Sharp, working with some of the local elected and civic leaders here in McAllen and the lower Rio Grande Valley, came together to talk about educational choice and educational opportunity in the region. Initially started around the medicine focus, the College of Medicine that University of Texas was beginning to pursue at that time, and also looked at engineering and biomedical science and other needs that the region's business leaders and elected leaders had seen. And so partnering with the University of Texas, they created the College of Medicine at UTRGV. And then they came to Texas A&M to say, what possibly could we do together? And Chancellor Sharp is a longtime leader for the state. Back when he was comptroller even, he would talk about the future of Texas will emanate from the valley. So what happens in the lower Rio Grande Valley, and so goes the lower Rio Grande Valley, so goes Texas. And so he's had a very deep and personal desire to have Texas A&M present, to have Texas A&M providing educational choice and opportunity. And so they created a very unique model, not only for Texas, but really the United States, whereby a city, the city of McAllen, its elected officials, and on behalf of the taxpayers, entered into a partnership with Texas A&M University. That resulted in the land lease out here at Tres Lagos, which allowed us then to pursue the building of the first building, which the McAllen Economic Development Corporation, the McAllen Economic Investment Board, helped us to do that through some bond support. Texas A&M then leveraged that to create about $56 million in investment to create this facility and begin hiring faculty and be able to deliver the new degree programs in the region.
I'm Dr. Adolfo Santos, the Assistant Provost at the Texas A&M University Higher Education Center at McAllen. Our students are Aggies 100%. We just happen to be about 400 miles from College Station. And our students feel the part of being 100% Aggies, but they have the benefit of being in a much smaller setting. But Texas A&M is an institution that has some 6 very important values that are instilled in our students, so that when our students leave us, they have those 6 values in their hearts, and they live those values. They live the values of respect and integrity and leadership and selfless service. And we know that in order for our state and for our country to be successful, we need to increase the number of young people that have a college degree. And that's why we're here. We're trying to do our part to make sure that we have as many kids from the Rio Grande Valley receiving a college education. We're offering 8 degrees at the Texas A&M University Higher Education Center at McAllen. We're offering 2 degrees in engineering, interdisciplinary engineering, multidisciplinary engineering technology, public health, and biomedical sciences. And biomedical science is a program that prepares students for careers in medicine or going to vet school. Then we also have an agricultural economics degree that's rolling out, and that's one that's really quite specific to the Rio Grande Valley, given the industries that we have here. We're also rolling out construction science, which is also very important to the Rio Grande Valley. Construction companies love the idea of having a construction science degree offering down here. Then we have University Studies in Arts and Science, which allows students to customize a degree, combining courses from the liberal arts and from the sciences. And then we also have an international studies degree option. Given that we're so close to Mexico, it becomes really important help prepare our students for careers that focus on the commerce between countries.